Welcome back. In the last lesson, we added integers. Today we subtract them, and you will learn one idea that makes every subtraction easy. Here is today's question. A cup of water is at 4 degrees Celsius. You put it in the freezer, and it loses 9 degrees. What is its temperature now? +4 minus +9. Think about it. Is it +5? Or -5? Can you even take 9 away from 4? By the end of this lesson, questions like this will feel easy. By the end of this lesson, here is what you will be able to do. First, subtract integers using a number line, so you can always see the answer. Second, the master key. Turn any subtraction into an addition by adding the opposite, even subtracting negative numbers. And third, use it in real life, temperature changes, money, and debts. Last lesson, adding a positive walked us to the right. Subtraction is the opposite journey. When you subtract a positive number, you walk to the left you are taking away, so you move down the number line. +8 minus +3. Start on 8, walk 3 steps left. 1, 2, 3. We land on 5. 8 minus 3 is 5, just like primary school. Now our freezer question. +4 minus +9. Start on 4 and walk 9 steps left. 4 steps take us to 0, and we keep going. 5 more steps into the negatives. We land on -5. So yes, you can take 9 away from 4. You just pass 0 and keep walking. The water is at -5 degrees. Now, the master key that unlocks every subtraction. Subtracting a number is exactly the same as adding its opposite. 7 minus +3 becomes 7 plus -3, and 7 minus -3 becomes 7 plus +3. Think of it with money. Taking away a debt of 3 shillings makes you 3 shillings richer. Removing a negative is a gain. So from now on, every subtraction question becomes an addition question, and you already know all the addition rules from lesson 1. Change the sign, then add. Let's practice. In every example, we use the master key. Change the sign, then add. Example A. +10 minus +6. Rewrite it plus -6. Different signs, subtract the sizes. 10 minus 6 is 4, and the bigger size is +4. Example B. +5 minus +12, taking away more than we have. Rewrite. 5 plus -12. 12 minus 5 is 7, and the bigger size, 12, is negative. So the answer is -7. Example C, -6 minus +8. Rewrite -6 plus -8. Now the signs are the same, both negative, so we ADD the sizes. 6 plus 8 is 14. Keep the negative, -14. We were already below 0, and we went further down. Now the ones that look scary, subtracting a negative number. Remember, removing a debt is a gain, so minus a negative becomes plus a positive. Example A, +7 minus -2. The two minus signs together become a plus. 7 plus +2. 7 plus 2 +9, simple as that. Example B, -10 minus -4. Change it, -10 plus +4. Different signs now subtract. 10 minus 4 is 6, and the bigger size is -6. We owed 10, 4 shillings of debt was forgiven, we still owe 6. Example C, -3 minus -11. Rewrite, -3 plus +11. 11 minus 3 is 8, and the bigger size is +8. Yes, a subtraction can lift you from below 0 to above it when you take away a big enough negative. Where does subtracting integers show up in real life? Differences. Whenever you ask how far apart or how much did it change, you are subtracting. Problem 1. In Nyahururu, the daytime temperature is 26 degrees and at night it falls to -2. What is the difference between day and night? Difference means subtract. 26 minus -2, which becomes 26 plus 2, 28 degrees apart. Notice how crossing 0 makes the gap bigger than either number. Problem 2. Milk at 21 degrees is frozen down to -4. What is the change? Change is always final value minus starting value. -4 minus 21, -4 plus -21, -25. The temperature dropped by 25 degrees. The negative sign tells you it was a drop. Problem 3. Otieno owes the shop 180 shillings. His balance is -180. The shopkeeper cancels 100 shillings of the debt. What is his balance now? Canceling debt means subtracting a negative. -180 minus -100 plus 100, -80. He still owes 80 shillings, but he's 80 shillings better off than before. Removing a negative really is a gain. 2 mistakes cause almost every lost mark in subtraction. Let's disarm them. Mistake 1, flipping the order. +5 minus +12. Many learners quietly compute 12 minus 5 and write +7. Wrong. Subtraction is not reversible. 5 minus 12 and 12 minus 5 are different answers. Use the master key. 5 plus -12 is -7. Mistake 2, the double negative. -10 minus -4. It is tempting to just smash the negatives together and write -14. Wrong. Minus a negative is plus a positive. -10 plus 4 is -6. -14 would be the answer to a different question, -10 minus +4. The habit that prevents both mistakes: always rewrite the subtraction as an addition first, then use the addition rules. Rewrite first, then add. Let's close the loop on what we promised at the start. On the number line, subtracting a positive walks you left. The master key: any subtraction becomes an addition, add the opposite. And the double negative: minus a negative is plus a positive, removing a debt is a gain. Your turn. Pause and try these 3. A, +9 minus +15. B, -7 minus -3. 18 degrees by day, -3 at dawn. What is the difference? Ready? A, 9 plus -15, -6. B, -7 plus 3, -4. And C, 18 minus -3, 21 degrees. Your practice questions are below this video, fresh numbers every attempt. Next lesson, multiplication of integers, where we answer the famous question, why does negative times negative give a positive? See you there.